I'm addressing you today from an installation that was made for my birthday. Up here, you see there's an opening in the sky. The clouds have departed to show a ray, or few rays of blessings coming down to us here. Now, the material realm and the spiritual realm are always there, but the clouds of ignorance need to go so that there is a perception of the blessings. Another theme is that we move forward in spiritual life not only by blessings, but also when we are cradled in the hands of the Lord. And that is here. You see the prince on the hands of the Lord, umbrella, lotus, bow, chakra, everything, sword, being held in the Lord's firm grip, being carried by Him through life. That is certainly desirable. I wish all of you that the clouds will open, the blessings will come to you, and that you can always see the good by always being able to see the hands of the Lord who carry us at every time.